Hey there, love detectives! Welcome back to the Mind Detective channel. Today we're tackling a question that plagues many after a breakup. Is it just a coincidence, or is the universe sending signals? You know the feeling. You can't stop thinking about your ex, and strange encounters or recurring signs keep popping up. Are they just a figment of your imagination, or is something more at play? Don't worry, love detectives, we've got your back. In this video, we'll delve into 10 signs that could mean your ex is still on your mind, and maybe even thinking about you too. We'll break down the difference between coincidence and destiny, helping you decipher if the universe is nudging you towards a potential reconnection. Signs you're in one, can't stop thinking about your ex. Let's face it, occasional thoughts about an ex are normal. But when they become constant companions, it might be a sign. This doesn't mean you should rush back into their arms, but it could indicate unresolved feelings or unfinished business. Sign number 2, recurring dreams. Vivid. Dreams about your ex can be unsettling, but they could also be symbolic. Analyze the emotions and scenarios. Are they messages of closure, longing, or something else entirely? Sign number 3, strange encounters. Bumping into your ex at the coffee shop you used to frequent? Running into their favorite song everywhere you go? These chance encounters might be a coincidence, but if they pile up, it could be the universe getting your attention. Sign number 4, names and numbers keep appearing. Do you keep seeing your ex's name everywhere or their birthday number popping up on random receipts? These repetitive occurrences might be a nudge from the universe to acknowledge a lingering connection. Sign number 5, increased social media activity. Are you suddenly more curious about your ex's online presence? Do you find yourself drawn to their social media profiles more than usual? This heightened awareness could be a sign that you're both subconsciously keeping tabs on each other. Sign number 6, intuition is on fire. Gut feelings are powerful. If your intuition keeps whispering your ex's name, or a strong sense of something is happening lingers, don't ignore it. Trust your inner voice. It might be picking up on unseen energy. Sign number 7, songs and signs have new meaning. Do old love songs suddenly take on a new meaning? Do you keep seeing symbolic objects or phrases that remind you of your ex? These could be signs from the universe, nudging you to reflect on the past and your current feelings. Sign number 8, friends and family. Mention them out of the blue. Do friends or family members start mentioning your ex in conversations? While it might feel random, it could be the universe using them as messengers to stir the pot and get you thinking. Sign number 9, unexplained emotional shifts. Do you experience sudden bursts of emotions, joy, sadness, or even anger, when you least expect them? These emotional fluctuations could be tied to unresolved feelings about your ex and the potential for reconnection. Sign 10, feeling drawn back, but not forcing it. There's a difference between actively pursuing your ex and feeling a gentle pull towards them. If the latter resonates more, it could be a sign of a deeper connection that the universe is trying to rekindle. However, remember, this doesn't mean forcing something that isn't meant to be. So, love detectives, are these signs a green light for reconnecting with your ex? Not necessarily. These are simply breadcrumbs leading you to explore your feelings and the possibility of a future connection. Remember, prioritize your healing and self-worth. If reconnecting feels right, approach it cautiously and with open communication. Don't forget, love detectives, the most important message might be for yourself. These signs could be a prompt for introspection. Are you truly ready to reconnect with your ex? Have you addressed any lingering issues from the relationship? Take time for honest self-reflection before making any decisions. Remember, the universe works in mysterious ways. These signs might be a nudge towards reconciliation, or simply a reminder to cherish the memories and lessons learned. Embrace the journey, love detectives, and trust your intuition to guide you towards your happy ending. If you're struggling with mixed emotions, or need help deciphering these signs, leave a comment below and let's chat. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more love mysteries and relationship advice. Until next time, stay curious, stay mindful, and stay fantastic.